Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. Today's video is very different, and this video was actually my dad's idea. He told me that I should test out the oldest curling iron ever. So basically the first curling iron that was invented. Here it is. Oh my god, this is crazy. So shout out to my dad for giving me this video idea. He supports me so much. He's always sharing my stuff on his Facebook. So shout out to you, and yeah, shout out to my parents and everybody who's supporting my channel so far. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys so much. If you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I'm uploading video. I upload hair videos every single week, so if you like this video and if you like the other videos here on my channel, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned because I have a lot more videos coming soon. And follow my Instagram. This is my Instagram right here. I post a lot of stuff on there that I do not post here on my YouTube channel. So go ahead and check out my Instagram, show some love. This was invented in the year 1905. So this is over 100 years old. I really liked this video idea, but I kind of didn't know where to find one of these. And I was searching online, I couldn't find it. And one day I just went to this antique store with my husband and we saw this and we were like, oh my god, this is one of the old hair tools. The first electric hair tool, like the first straightener I believe, was invented in 1959, which is still pretty old. I would love to find that hair straightener and test it out. I would love to do that, but I would be more scared to do that than to test this one out because that one's electric, and since it's so old, I don't know. So what they used to do back in the day was put this on like fire or heat and then just curl their hair and then do the same thing, put it on heat, curl their hair, and then do the same thing. So what I am doing right now is that, I don't know, I just thought about this brilliant idea. I was waxing yesterday and I used the little waxing warm up thingy. I'm just letting this warm up my hair tool, so I'm gonna leave it here for maybe like 10 more minutes until it is like more warm, and then I'm gonna start curling my hair. But yeah, instead of maybe putting it on the stove or something, I just decided to use this. So hopefully this works. Alright guys, so I think this hair tool is pretty warm now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a very small section. I'm gonna wrap my hair. Oh my god. Gonna wrap it around. I wish this was a little bit. There you go. Doesn't feel too warm, so I don't know, we'll see if I'm able to get a curl. I'm just gonna leave it there for a little bit. So I'm gonna release the curl and let's see what type of curl we can get. Oh my god, yeah, it's definitely curling my hair. That's a very nice curl actually. I really like that. I'm gonna keep warming this up and I'm gonna do a couple more sections, but like as you can see, you do got some really nice small and tight curls. So I guess that was the thing back in the day, back in those times. Like the small curls, the small thin curls. So yeah, I love a small thin curl. It looks super cute, but I just need to let this warm up a little bit more so that I can get nicer curls. But yeah, I mean, as you can see, it did definitely curl my hair a little bit. I feel like the curl is falling a little bit just because, like I said, the hair tool wasn't as hot as it should be. But it works. So I'm gonna keep curling my hair. I'm gonna do a couple more sections. I won't do all my hair because that would take me some time, like a lot of time. Even if I had an electric small curling ones, I probably wouldn't do it to all my hair because it would just take me too long. I would have to take very small sections and that would take me a lot of time. Okay, so I think I let it warm up for enough time. So I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna do like a curling wand. I don't know if this is gonna work because this is very small and my hair is a little bit long, but let's see, we'll try it. It feels warm but not too warm. Let's see. Oh my god, what a cute curl. I'm gonna do this front section and this might be the last piece of hair that I do. So I'm gonna do it like this, how they actually used to do it. My hair is a little bit long so it doesn't like fit too well, but I'm gonna try my best. I think that's good. So I'm gonna leave it there for a little bit. Ooh, it's actually kind of hot. Gonna leave it there for a little bit, maybe like 30 seconds, and let's see what type of curl I can get. I'm definitely gonna get probably like a very tiny, cute, thin curl, and I'm looking forward to that. Guys, let me know in the comments down below what you think about this video. Do you guys like these types of videos? Like trying out even like weird hair tools? I can do that in the future. Oh my god. Look at that curl. That's so cute. Look at that. That's so cute. I've never gotten a curl like that. Like so thin and tiny. That's crazy. I never thought that I would try the very first curling iron that was invented. That's pretty crazy. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Love you guys so much.